Assalamu alaikum viewers. So today we are going to solve Feb March 18 paper 1-2 AS physics paper question number 9. So let's begin. A girl throws a ball vertically upwards. It takes a time of 3.2 seconds to return to her hand. Assume air resistance is negligible. What is the initial speed with which the ball is thrown? Okay, so first of all, you have to extract the data from the given information. That's the basic of solving any kind of kinematics question. Okay, so let's begin. Let's read it again. A girl throws a ball vertically upwards. So this is a girl, for example, from here, and she throws a ball which is thrown vertically upwards. Okay. It takes a time of 3.2 seconds. Now it takes a time of 3.2 seconds to return to her hand. So it takes a time of 3.2 seconds, like it is thrown vertically upwards and it travels like this. And it falls back to her hand. What can you deduce from this? Number one, the time is equals to 3.2 seconds, right? What about the displacement? It says that it returned to her hand. This is a key point actually. What do you mean by this? This means that the displacement is zero. How? Because the initial starting and the ending position is same. And if the starting and the ending position is same, then the displacement would be zero. I would give you a very easy example. This is point P. This is point Q. And this is point R. Okay. So a student travels from P to Q to R like this. Now this is not a displacement of the student. This is the distance covered by the student. What would be his distance? Displacement, sorry, his displacement would be from starting, which is P, to the ending position. It would be like this. It would be actually a straight line. Like this. So this is the displacement of the student. So displacement is the distance between, it is direct, like, a straight line from starting to the ending position. So if the starting and the ending position of an object is same, then its displacement must be zero. So as S is equals to 0, S is displacement is represented by S. So S is equals to 0, time T is equals to 3.2 seconds, and air resistance is negligible. What do you mean by air resistance is negligible? This shows that acceleration is equals to 9.81. Now let's put the data and combine them, okay? So sorry. So as I told you, displacement is equals to 0. I also proved to you that one. And acceleration is equals to 9.81 because I told you that, that air resistance is negligible. So acceleration would be 9.81. Time would be 3.2 seconds. And then we have to find the initial speed. Initial speed is represented by U. So U is unknown. Now you have to think the equation that relates all these four quantities. So this is the equation that relates all these four quantities. S is equals to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. Now as S is 0, you have to substitute all the quantities and then you will find this equation. Now you must be thinking from where I got this negative sign, right? So I got this negative sign due to 9.81. As this is acceleration of free fall, so this would always be written negative. So the negative is not from the formula. Negative is due to 9.81. So when as it is 0 here, so when 9.81 goes there, it becomes positive. And then you have to solve it like an algebra question. And then finally, U would be 15.7. So yeah, option C is the answer because option C says that U is equal to 15.7. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt or any question, you may ask in the comment section below. And please like, subscribe, and share.